Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to show you my current July/June favorites. I know I'm posting a little bit late, but I had camera issues, so I'm sorry. But June favorites are coming to you right now. I'm giving them to you. And anyways, I just want to show you guys the things that I've really been loving for this summer and my go-to products for this summer. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right in. I'm not gonna go in any particular order. Should I? I'm not. I don't wanna just go however I feel like. But anyways, the first product that I've been really liking for the summer is this Flower Beauty In Your Prime Hydrating Primer. Honestly, when it's summertime, I do like that hydration under my makeup, and I find when I use this, my makeup goes on so smooth and nice, and I just really like it. So yeah, first love of the summer. The next thing I've been really liking for the summer is this Maybelline. I lie. You know what? I need to go in order. It's just gonna bother me if I don't. Next, I have my e.l.f. hydration stick, and what can I say? When it's summertime, my skin is thirsty and it just wants some hydration. So I've been using a lot of hydrating primers, and this one is a stick foundation. I like this for the days when I'm like really in a rush, because you can just like slap it on, and I'm done. I'm good. Ready for the next step. So for foundations, I really like light coverage during the summer. Things that let my skin breathe. I'm outside a lot, riding my bike, and it's hot. And I don't want to sweat through everything, so rather than having a full face of cake, I just want to keep it really light and fresh. So one of the things I've been loving is my Maybelline BB cream, and it's like an 8-in-1 beauty balm. And I really like this because it just basically evens out your complexion, just gives you a nice veil over your skin, and it's super light and minimal, and it's really fast to put on. Again, getting ready for work, and I like to sleep a lot, so I like to use things that I can blend out really quickly, and then this is one of them. For foundation, if I need just a tad more coverage than the BB cream, I go in with my Physician Formula Healthy Foundation. And I really like this one because I just like the applicator so much. This is my favorite applicator. I hate putting things on the back of my hands, getting it dirty. I know I have makeup wipes, but I don't care. I don't like it. This I can just like, no mess. And I really like this because it's very, again, minimal. It's lightweight. It's more sheer. So it just makes your skin look like a little bit evener, brighter, fresher, healthy. It makes it look healthy. Really been liking that. Next up, let's move on to concealers. And for concealer, I actually only have one, which is my LA Pro Girl concealer. And I really like this because, again, it's really fast to blend out. I've really been liking it. It's not usually one that I grab because I'm not a big fan of the applicator. It's like this weird brush. You gotta squeeze it. But it's a great concealer once you get past that. Honestly, really like this, and I've just been using it a lot. What else can I say? I've been using it a lot. That's why it's a favorite. Next, I have my two brow products, and I'm sure you guys all know these two brow products because I literally use them every time. They're the first ones I've ever tried. They both work so well that honestly, I don't want to try anything new. Like I should, just to try it. But something tells me I would try it and be like, ugh, it's nice. But I want what I know and what I love, which is my NYX, I feel like this is called, oh, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I definitely said that wrong in my last video. Oh well. And I really like this because it's just super easy. I can shape my brows the way I want to, really fast. I'm used to it, so it makes it even faster. And my L'Oreal Brow Plumper. It does add a little bit of color, which honestly, I don't mind. It makes your brows look a little more filled in if you like a little lazy with this. This will come and be your backup. And it also acts like hair gel and it just keeps your brows in place all day for me. Honestly, I can get like, no matter what wears off, I feel like my brows still look the same. It's rarely fade off, and it's only if it's super hot and I'm sweating and I've worn them all day. So this is really good. I really like this. As far as mascara goes, Guess who's not wearing mascara? And just did this look for another tutorial. Just gonna quickly fix that. I don't know why, but I always forget mascara or concealer whenever I do tutorials. And it's like, I don't get why, because I never forget them any other time. Oh, this is what this look was missing. I was thinking in my last video, like, it looks almost done, but I did everything, so it must be complete, but I feel like something's missing. Mascara! Anyways, I just used the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara, and this actually is one of my favorites. I really, really like this mascara. It's never one that I would think to like grab in the store. Got it in a surprise bag, and honestly I love it. It's like makes my lashes so separated and so long and yet just beautiful. They just look beautiful, and I really, really like it. For the days when I want something that's a little more like va-va-voom though, like a little more volume, I love using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. These make my lashes look thick. 3 C's. It adds so much volume, and honestly this is like, these are my 2 favorites just in general for like the past couple months. So these are 2 winners in my books. So if you're looking for something very voluminous, I'd say go with the L'Oreal. If you're looking for just like that nice definition, go with the Revlon. Next products are 2 of the same but used for 2 different things. So these are both Morphe Bronzers, and I have one in the shade Showmance. I honestly got 2 because I didn't know which one would work for my skin tone. This one works for my skin tone for its purpose, for being a bronzer. So something that I can bronze with, something I can contour with. This is perfect. And it's really hard to come across really good contour shades, but this I really like. And bronzers, they're the hardest for my skin tone for me to find. And this is beautiful. The other shade I got, which I don't use for bronzing or for contouring, is in the shade Fantabulous, but I do use it as a blush, and it looks beautiful as blush. I have it on my cheeks right now, and I usually just mix both colors together for blush, and it's like just like a slight glow, but it looks so natural and like flush, and like you wouldn't think a pink, like pinky kind of like contour would, but like this has some browns in it, and it makes it look really natural, and I love it for blush. So yeah, both great. And I have a mirror. Who doesn't love a mirror? Okay, we're coming to the end, which is lips, and I only got 3 products, so we're almost done. So for lips, I have 2 e.l.f. lipsticks, and I've been using these a lot more. I've had these in my collection for a while, but honestly, I just never had reached for them as much as other things. I think that's just because I was getting new stuff that I hadn't had time to really just sit and enjoy the makeup that I did have, because I was always trying to try all the new stuff out, test it out, see what I like, see what I didn't like. And now that I haven't bought anything for a while, I've really been able to go through my makeup and like love the things that I already had. And these 2 e.l.f. blushes, lipsticks, I really like. So one is in the shade Blushing Brown, and the other one is in the shade Dark Brown. So blushing brown's a little bit lighter, this one's a little bit darker. I'll swatch them for you. So this one is Blushing Brown. It's kind of like a brown, just broke on me. It's okay, it's okay, it's fixed. So this one's definitely more brown, but it does have like some, oh my gosh, I am swatching terrible. It's right here. This lighting is not showing anything. But anyways, it's like brown, but it has some like mauve undertones. Very pretty. And then dark brown is more of like your true brown color. And it's just like a nice rich brown, and it's a great nude, which is what I'm wearing right now. It's the dark brown. And I have a lip gloss I'm going to show you next on top of it. So the lip gloss that I also have is by e.l.f. Oh my gosh. This month is like all e.l.f. lip products that I've been loving. And I do love this one. I love it and I hate it. I'll tell you why, both. I love the color. This is like perfect everyday gloss. It goes with everything, looks perfect with everything. It's in the shade Mocha Twisted. Mocha Twist. And it is my perfect nude gloss. I love it. I love it. I love it. I hate it though. I hate it so much because it's a plumping lip gloss. And I do not like how plumping lip glosses feel. It just feels awful. I don't like that sensation. That does nothing for me. I already have naturally plump lips, so I never go for plumping products. But aside from that, I really love this lip gloss. I can look past that for the color because the color is so great. And I know they have some other shades, but this one is the darkest, I believe. And I think it makes an amazing nude. I should try the other ones, but then I'm like, ugh, plumping. So I'm like, ugh, but I know I might like them, so it's a battle. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna stick to loving this. And that completes all the products, guys. Yeah, we got through them all. Wasn't as many as I thought there would be. But anyways, these are the products I've been loving for the summer. Things that are just like light and fresh, but look beautiful and natural all at the same time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!